Home cooking. Morning, team! Who wants pancakes?
I'll whisk the eggs.
I'll mash the bananas. Good, I'll heat the pan.
Max is ready too.
He always shows up for pancakes. Can't resist those. Batter's ready. Honey, pour the first one.
It's a little oval.
It looks like a potato. A delicious potato. I'll flip the next one.
Nice one, Chef.
Those are looking pretty good. We should add chocolate chips next time.
Or maybe some blueberries.
Maybe a little bit of both. You can't go wrong with pancakes and chocolate chips.
Breakfast made with teamwork.
And a lot of love and a little bit of luck. Cheese war.
$12 for cheese? Are we feeding royalty?
It's French brie. Organic. You said you wanted a wine, right?
Maybe I shouldn't touch them anymore. In case they break, I'm done for. This is robbery with fancy lighting.
That's life. Can I pick snacks? I saw truffle popcorn. Ooh, vegan brownies.
Since when did Lily like vegetarian food?
Probably since her favorite artist advertised it on TV. She might go vegan next week. Maybe I will. My idol did.
Then she can pay for this cart.
Where's the car? Okay, we've got the new table, the lamp. Let's go home before my tummy starts growling. I'd like to enjoy my lunch now.
Wait, where did we park the car?
You're kidding, right?
No, I thought it was next to the big blue sign.
Jack, every sign here is big and blue.
Okay, then maybe it was by the red exit pole.
Dad, that narrows it down to like 300 cars. This is why I told you to take a picture.
I did, but it was a selfie. I guess the sunlight distracted me and I accidentally turned on the front camera, then took a selfie.
Oh my God, so helpful.
Let's split up. Wendy and Mia check near the trolley return.
What about you?
I'll wander aimlessly and hope for a miracle. I'll check the entrance.
I don't know if it is a good strategy. Don't forget Max is in the car.
He'll bark if someone suspicious comes.
Or if someone walks by with a hot dog. Honestly, same. Picnic panic. The sandwiches are flying!
That seagull just stole my lunch right out of my hand.
Dad, you lost to a bird. That's a new low. This is why Brits eat indoors.
It wouldn't have been a problem if the sandwich I made hadn't been so delicious.
Max is chasing pigeons again. He's one of them now. Great! He's going to get tired soon.
Or fall again.
Should we call him back? Let him play a bit. He's having fun.
And we still have one sandwich left.
Let's eat it before another bird shows up. The dog therapist. I can tell Max enjoys relaxing in the big tub.
It's supposed to relax him. It's all organic. But look at him.
He keeps snapping at the bubbles, like with joy. This is $60. We use a unique type of soap. Very good for stress and coat shine. He's a dog. His biggest stress is when we stop patting him.
Or when someone says, vet.
Look at him. He thinks he's royalty.
He knows we're talking behind his back.
But clearly, we're talking right in front of him.
Max can barely sit on command.
Maybe he can become a wellness guru.
Max the Mindful, coming soon on TikTok.
He really likes the scented towels. He's trying to tell us that we should bring him back here again.
I couldn't agree more.
Golden hour stroll. Look at that sunset. The mountains look painted.
If I were a painter, this would be my career peak.
Dad, stop. That was terrible.
Thank you. I practice.
Sweetie, pose for a photo with Max. It's too beautiful to miss. I'm ready. Max blinked in all of them.
He's not camera shy, just fashionably mysterious.
See? He agrees. I love this quiet. No cars, no phones buzzing. Can we do this every week? If Max doesn't run around and get lost.
He's being good today.
What a good boy.
This is the good life. Sunset, family, peaceful vibe.
And no flying sandwiches. Laundry time. Laundry time! Everyone, bring your clothes.
I only wore this shirt twice.
It still counts if it smells like barbecue smoke. I separated colors from whites. Good girl. Max's blanket goes in last.
Is there a setting for dog level dirty?
Max drooled on my socks again. He loves you. It's a weird gift.
Do we have enough detergent?
Yes, I bought the lavender one. It smells like clouds. Can we fold clothes while watching cartoons? Let's fold them here instead of bringing them to the living room and watching cartoons. Doing it this way saves time.
Mom's right, Lily. If we fold quickly, we can watch cartoons together. Okay, sweetie?
Deal. Max! That's not helping. He thinks he's part of the team.
Team Laundry, featuring one furry supervisor.
Pizza night. This pizza has no pineapple.
Don't say that in Italy. It's a crime.
Italians take food seriously.
Pineapple is not traditional.
But it's sweet and sour. I like it.
In Naples, we make pizza with heart. Not pineapple. Be nice. He's being polite. Margarita is very classic. Fresh tomato, mozzarella, and basil. Enjoy your meal. Thank you so much.
I see. It smells really good. Give it a try. Sometimes simple is best. Okay, Mom. That's actually delicious.
Told you, no need for pineapple here.
I guess every place has its own style. Maybe next time we try pizza fritta.